There's gonna be a blooper reel. There's gonna be a blooper reel. No, fine.
What?
What'd you do?
What?
Wrong pillow?
Oh. Crap. Should I get a slow-mo?
Huh? Well, I'm already filming it in 60, so.
Do super slow-mo. We're just getting close.
You look like an elf compared to him, but yeah, you're both visible.
An elf. I'm not that much shorter than Kenan. Alright. Yep.
Boy! you ain't Asian.
Yeah, I have friends, so we're gonna swap spots. We'll try that one more time. But... One, go. Actually, wait. We don't want to hear me say go. I hate living next to the road. Okay, go, 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 go! Alright, so if you look at it was on. Once I finish, we'll shake hands. And then why do we have to shake hands? I don't want to touch you. I didn't even get mine to start, dang it. Hey guys, I heard you were filming stuff. Oh, they just started that now. I'll go beat someone. What did you do wrong? Did you not stop? I forgot to change the cap. Oh, gosh dang it, that was a good take.
This guy can't do a 3x3 stage solve.
I can't show the other one.
He didn't even have to show that side. Wait, it wasn't even mixed up. What?